Welcome! Most people don't realize this, but Tai Chi walking isn't just walking forward. Tai Chi walking is a slow shift from one bow stance to another, forward and sometimes backwards. It's this slowness that builds awareness, balance, and stability. And that's what changes how you move. That's what's going to change your life. So when you're ready, let's get started. In order to learn Tai Chi walking, we have to first learn what a bow stance is. This is going to teach us how to move forward. And then next, we're going to learn what an empty stance is, because that's how we're going to move backwards. So let's talk about it. A bow stance is our normal martial arts stance. We see this in Tai Chi and Kung Fu. We even see this in Warrior One and yoga. It all is similar, but in Tai Chi, it's about a slow shift and intention. So honoring where our body is today, even if we have injuries. So I'm going to mirror you right now. We're going to start from our parallel stance. From here, you're going to shift your weight to that left leg and you're going to rotate from your hip. Rotate that foot open about 45 degrees. So when we sink down, we're gonna sink to a point that's comfortable for us. And then we're gonna pick up and we're gonna step straight out, heel, ball toe, bend your knee, and move forward. You're gonna move forward until you can't lift your heel or your toes. So stay where you are for a moment. I want you to check. Are you able to lift your heel? Can you lift your toes, or is your whole foot on the ground? This also applies to your back leg. If we turn our hips too much, now our knee is going to be bent. We're going to have a tweaking on our knee and the weight's going to be on the arch of our foot. We actually want our hips open. That doesn't mean that we can't turn from our torso to go to the straight direction. But overall, our hips are going to be open, so our knees can be in line. Now, when you shift back, are you able to pick up without moving quickly or having balance issues? If you had to move quickly or if you feel unbalanced, take a smaller stance. Everyone's bow stance is going to look a little bit different, but we're going to have a couple of requirements. 60% and 40% of our weight is in the back. So we're splitting that weight between our two legs, and we're gonna have our front foot straight and our back foot's gonna be about 45 degrees with two lines between our feet. So we're not gonna be on one line, we're gonna have this width between our stance or our legs. So Tai Chi walking is about going from one bow stance to another. So we take this position and we walk on two lines in our space. So again, I'm gonna mirror you. Now, if you would like, you can hold your arms up. A lot of the times holding our arms up actually helps us with our balance. So when we hold our arms up, we just wanna make sure that our shoulders and our elbows are sinking down and we have a nice rounded position as if we're hugging a tree, but relax. So if you have any sort of shoulder injuries, bring the arms down. But it might just help you with your balance, and it's gonna help you see that torso turning while the hips can remain in their position. So let's back up in our space. Feet are gonna be shoulders width apart. We're gonna mirror each other. So that means we're gonna shift and we're gonna turn to the right. See how everything turns together? And you're gonna sink down, nice and slow. Heel, ball of foot, toes, bend your knee, and move forward. Now see, can you turn your waist without turning your hips? So we're gonna shift back and we're gonna hinge from our hip. So now both feet are about 45 degrees and we're gonna push off our toes, stay nice and low. Everything is now turned and we can pick up and step out. Get your whole foot on the ground, connect to the earth, then move forward and turn. So make sure, again, hips are open, not square. We want to protect our knees. We want to bring awareness to how we're walking and standing to help heal our body. Let's do one more. Shifting back, knees stay in line, turn. Stay low. Push off those toes. Draw your foot to center for balance and then step wide enough. Move forward and then turn from your waist. This is Tai Chi walking. It is going from one side to the other in our bow stance, bringing that awareness into how we're moving and what's going on with our joints. So now let's practice going to the side. So choosing a side of your space, bringing your arms up. Again, we're gonna travel on two lines. So let's shift our weight to the left, turn to the right, sink down. Step straight out, move forward, and then we'll turn our waist. So check, how's your bow stance? How are your knees? Let's do it other side. Shift back, turn, stay low, don't stand up. Honor where your body is. You might have a shorter bow stance. We move forward and we're gonna turn from our waist. We're separating those two things right now so that we can focus on our lower body. Shift back, hinge from your hip to open that foot, push, and everything turns together. Picking up, and then step out. Move forward, and then turn from your waist. Let's do one more. Shifting back, open your toes or your foot, push, stay low, and then step out. Move forward, and then turn. Okay, now you might notice that I have a lean through my torso. This lean allows us to relax our lower back. So if we're trying to stay vertical, we're gonna be hurting our lower back. We wanna lean as if we're pushing something heavy. This is also gonna help with your balance. Now I want you to check, look down at your feet. Do we have that back foot 45 degrees and our front foot to straight? Also, where's the weight? Do you have that 60% in the front and 40 in the back? Can you lift your heel or your toes, or is your whole foot kind of sinking into the earth? Now we're gonna check. Did you step to the right distance for you? Let's move back. Are you able to pick up? And then step back out. Good. Okay, that's our bow stance. Now, when we move backwards, things are a little bit different. So when we have a bow stance, we're shoulders width apart. We're gonna use an empty stance to move backwards. An empty stance is with 70% of the weight in our back leg, 30% in the front, and we're gonna touch with our heel. We're gonna have one line between our feet. So instead of being wide, we want one line. That's not to say we're gonna be crossed, but we want one line with our feet on either side. And again, alignment is key, so our knees are tracking where they belong. If I turn to the side, you're gonna see we're still leaning, we're still folding from our hips. So knees in line, 70%, your back leg might start burning, okay? Now, let's practice walking backwards in both directions, and then we're gonna put it together so you can see how you can practice both of these together. So if we start in our shoulders width apart stance, we're gonna sink into that right leg, and when you step back, you're gonna touch with your toes and then your whole heel, and you're gonna move your weight back. Okay, so again, we can hold our arms up to help with balance or low, depending on your shoulders. And we're gonna pick up our toes to our heel. And we're gonna step back, touch with our toes and then our heel. Now you'll see that the torso is straight. As we shift back, we're gonna turn on our heel and our torso is gonna turn. So now everything is to that corner. Let's do one more. Pick up your toes to your heel, then touch toes to heel. So we have one line, both feet are to the corners, and then we shift and we turn, depending on how much space you have in your room, okay? So let's practice moving backwards, and then we're gonna combine this together so that you can feel great about Tai Chi walking. Now remember, this is something that you can practice at any point. Tai Chi walking isn't just about what we do while we practice. It's about how it changes the way we walk in general and the way we move through our lives. So this practice is gonna help you build confidence and ease, especially as we age or recover from injuries. So let's practice just going backwards, and then we're gonna change into going forwards. So we start, our arms go up. We're gonna sink into our right leg. and we're gonna step back, toes, ball, heel. Never locking out our legs, and we're just gonna turn our waist and move back. From here, pick up your toes. Then touch with your toes and your heel. Turn your waist and your foot goes to straight. Now let's do it again. Pick up, touch with your toes, then your heel. Then when we turn, we have one line with our feet on both sides. Did you do it? I bet you did. All right, let's do one more. Picking up and then touch and turn. So now we can go straight from our empty stance and our backwards walking into our forward walking. All we have to do is shift our weight back, and we're gonna step wider into that shoulders width apart stance. Then we're gonna move forward and we're gonna turn from our waist. So we shift back, we open up our foot to the corner, we push off our toes, stay low, pick up, step out. Move forward and then turn your waist. Making sure our hips stay open. That's why we're separating it. Shift back. Hinge open from your hip. Push off your back toes. Find your balance here first. Then pick up and step out. Move forward and then turn. Notice your knees. Notice that weight in your feet. How are you doing? Shifting back. Bring that awareness. Feel the weight pour into your left leg. Then pick up and step out. Move forward and then turn. Now, how do we get to an empty stance? We're gonna push forward and we're gonna step closer in. Then we're gonna move back and turn our waist. So now we have 70 and 30. Pick up, turn, touch behind you. Then turn as you shift. And we repeat, picking up the toes and then touching with the toes and moving back. Everything we're doing is about learning awareness. So let's change which side we start on. Let's pick up and let's step wider. Touch, move forward, bow stance. Turn from your waist, not your hips. Shift back. Hinge open from your hip. Push, find your balance, stay low. Step out, heel, ball toe, bend your knee. Get your foot connected and then push forward. Now turn your waist. One more, back, turn, push, bow stance. Move forward and then turn. This is Tai Chi walking. Tai Chi walking is a practice that you can return to again and again because it supports everyday life. Now, if you want to learn more about waist turning and Tai Chi basics, click on these playlists. Start here. This is where you want to begin. Learn the basics, focus on alignment, and you are going to heal your body in new ways. You are going to build muscle and strength like you've never had before, and your balance, stability, and awareness is going to increase every time you practice. Remember, we may not move like we used to, but we can still move. Every day is an opportunity for you to feel your best in this moment in time. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or reach me on my website, ladytaichi.com. Thank you so much for being here.